So just a couple things to note before we get to the actual Friendsgiving. The morning of, I will put out like plates and silverware. And just to explain, so this napkin fold is going to look like a pumpkin. So again, on the day of, you're supposed to put a cinnamon stick in the center. So it looks like the stem, but I just wanted to get this part prepped and my tablescape figured out just so I know what I'm doing come Sunday when we have Friendsgiving. So this is the tablescape for now. Today is Saturday, the day before Friendsgiving. I know I look like a mess. I literally just got off of work, but we're going to try to prep what I can today and prepare anything. So I'm just going to show you what we're doing today. There's a couple things that need to be made food-wise. We're going to get out platters, make sure those are all clean, wash anything that needs to be washed. I did run the dishwasher on my lunch break, so that was clean and I could unload it. So it's ready to go for tomorrow. I'm trying to think what else. Probably set up the coffee maker. I always try to make a fun coffee to have for after dinner. I think I got a creme brulee coffee from Walmart, just great value brand. I just buy a bag of it to make a full pot. I've already gotten out cream cheese so it can come to room temperature, but I literally just took that out. So I think the first thing we're going to do is do the green bean casserole. It is so simple, but we're just going to prep that up and get that in the fridge. So all I got to do is pop it in the oven the day of. So this is the dish I'm going to use. I'm literally making this for me and like one other person. Most of my friends don't like green bean casserole. So we're just doing a single can, cream and mushroom soup, which I'll probably do like half of. We'll kind of gauge it when we're mixing it. And then the French fried onions, which I don't put on until before it goes in the oven. So really we're just mixing these two. Going to put them in the dish, cover it with saran wrap and throw it in the fridge so it's ready. The other thing we're going to work with is making this no-bake pumpkin cheesecake pie because this needs to chill overnight. So I got out the cream cheese, vanilla pudding. There's Cool Whip in the fridge, and I know we do a few more ingredients, but we're going to get to that later. And then I've gotten out the pasta already. So I'm doing a mac and cheese in the crock pot tomorrow morning, or maybe late morning. It says it only needs like 2 hours, so I don't want to overdo it too early. To make life easier on me for tomorrow, I'm going to measure out all my seasonings for the mac and cheese for the slow cooker and the turkey breast, and we'll just put them in Ziploc bags. That way I don't have to actually measure tomorrow, and I can keep the dishes to a minimum, but I'm going to measure them out and put them in these bags. So this pie is really, really easy. I am having it. I will link it down below because it does technically make 2 pies and I don't need 2. So I have softened cream cheese, sugar, and then we're going to do half of this because again, I'm having it. We're gonna blend this up. And this goes in the bottom. And in your second layer is the pumpkin pie mix, milk, and in pumpkin pie spice, ground cinnamon, and nutmeg, which I've pre-measured. We will mix that. That goes second layer. Top layer is the remainder of this. And then you just put a little bit of spice on top. I usually just do the pumpkin pie spice and then chill it in the fridge. So let's get to mixing and get the bottom layer going. So it's officially Friendsgiving Day. I have showered. I did put on some mascara today, and I have my new shirt for Thanksgiving. Can't really prep a lot of food until we get closer, and it's about 8:30 right now. I think I'm gonna take care of finishing setting the table and then maybe get to the cheese and getting out utensils, just the things I can do for right now, seeing how I can't cook yet. When we get closer, probably around 11, I'll start prepping what needs to be prepped in terms of food, because my friends will be here around 12.
a mile high when you're on my side, high up in the sky, cruising through the night. Follow the signs, you're looking like a one-way. Gotta make the right choice. Hope I make the right noise. Hoping that you like boys like me. I know you're feeling me from across the room. I got a feeling you could be my muse. I hear strange when I see you. You say green, but I see blue. Either way, your eyes the ones I'm looking to. When I'm hell first, falling from heaven, baby. Living on the prayer that you catch and save me. I was unaware of our elevation till I looked down. All the people look like it's mile high when you're on my side, high up in the sky, cruising through the night.
Falling to pieces in my room. Are you coming over? That's cool. I could use a little something to do. We could go outside, take a little ride if you want to. That's cool. I did what I was supposed to. There's nothing left for me to do. So now I'm poking out my head through open windows. Cause that's what I feel like.
And that is a wrap on Friendsgiving 2023. Thankfully, my friends kind of helped. I didn't show it, but we got like everything cleaned. The dishwasher's running, and yeah, that's pretty much it. They all went home. So I'm going to pick up my Walmart grocery order because I scheduled that intentionally so I could get it out of the way tonight. And then I will be relaxing and potentially editing this video so it'll go up this week. But I hope you enjoyed, and as always, I hope everybody has a blessed day.